going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you guys are having a great start to your week. Got a good one. Now it's a little older. I sneak peeked this at the end of one of my lives probably about 3 weeks ago. And yeah, this somehow got lost in my folder. So I'm releasing it now. If you've seen it already, it's still worth a second watch. It's a good one. Judge Simpson handles this beautifully. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Arbor One versus Tatiana Tedder.
Cheryl Walkoff on behalf of the plaintiff.
Ms. Tedder?
Okay, I'm here.
Okay. All right. Where are we on this case?
Well, Your Honor, my notes
don't know.
indicate
I'm
that
having a
the
hard
defendant
time
was
hearing.
required to file an answer and proof of her claims by May 16th. I did not receive anything. I don't know if the court did.
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing. Could you repeat what you said?
I indicated that the last hearing, the court had ordered that you file an answer and any supporting evidence to the court and myself by the 16th of May. And that I did not receive anything.
Right. So I was unable to get in my emails and find the emails or whatever for the thing, but I went down to the office multiple times to talk to the people in the office, and they tell me you guys will call and nobody never calls. So I'm just a little confused myself. I've been
Well, ma'am,
for over 90 days.
hold on, ma'am. You told me the last time that your taxes got held up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have not been able to
Hold
get my
on.
mailbox
Hold
for-
on. You said it was because of a mailbox situation.
Correct.
And it went someplace else. I told
Correct, it
you
went-
because you were. I'm not going to try to talk over you.
Okay, sir, you don't have to try to talk over me. I apologize, but this is very frustrating when I've been doing everything I'm supposed to do on my behalf and they're not doing what they're supposed to do on their behalf. So I'm frustrated too.
You told me that.
You're doing everything that you're supposed to be doing on your behalf, except paying rent. I think that's the only thing you're supposed to be doing on your behalf. And waiting for this tax check, it's not a good plan for the future. You can't pay your rent now and you're waiting for a tax check to get cut up. How are you going to pay it in the future, moving forward? I think that's an important issue. Judges have brought that up in the past. Generally, it happens around the January, February time for landlord-tenant cases, but that's not a good plan moving forward.
That the tax check that you had got sent back.
Correct, twice.
I told you because you said that you had the United States Postal Service email on your phone.
Correct.
That you get. And I told you I needed a copy of that email to the court to show that had happened.
Right.
I'm
unable to pull that up on my phone.
I don't have that. What?
And I'm unable to pull it up on my phone, sir. It says my Gmail is out of storage. It only lets me go back so far to my mail because I can't pay for anything because I don't have any money. This is not the only bill I'm held up on. I've been saying stuff for over the last 70, 80 days. And it's like nobody down in the office hears you. But then you want a payment. Like, it's ridiculous.
Ma'am, I heard you when you told me at the last hearing what you said. You told me you had proof of that tax check coming through. I don't even know how much it was. I was going to give a benefit of the doubt to you because of what was the mailbox issue, that if you showed me that it came, and then go by the rest of your story that you couldn't get to it and it got sent back or held someplace, then I could do something. But I needed proof that had come through. You told me you had the email. I don't have a copy of that.
I am sitting here on bed rest. I can barely even get out the house to do anything. I'm going into labor any day. I don't understand. I'm calling down here and saying stuff to them. I can't make a payment if I'm not receiving my mail. And it's like, just forget that I have mail coming in and that my money is in the mailbox. They just want their money, but nobody is doing anything so I can get my mail. This is ridiculous.
Doesn't sound like you're doing anything either. Does not sound like you're doing anything either. And it is ridiculous. Her story might be true about the mailbox. I don't know. It sounds like it's a little far-fetched, but I'm not going to call her a liar on the mailbox issue. Not hard to fix that, though. And it sounds like she's playing games. It really does.
Your Honor, the last hearing, my recollection is she indicated she was now getting her mail.
Right, ma'am. I am now getting the mail, but it takes weeks for you to get the mail. They have to send it out, then they send it back. Then I'm waiting for them to send it out again. They sent it out again. They sent it back, and I'm waiting again. Like, I just don't quite understand. But it's okay for you guys to inconvenience me for 70, 80 days. But it's not okay for me to inconvenience you, and it's not even me inconveniencing you if my stuff would have been fixed when I first moved in here. When I paid my money here, it wouldn't even be this.
Are you done now? Because I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, I am done, sir, but I'm frustrated because I'm steady contacting them and they're not sending me back.
But you don't overtalk me. I will hear anything anybody has to say. And I listened to you the last time. And what I told you was, you told me that the mail was going back and forth. I said, okay, fine. You specifically indicated there was a tax check that had gone back. I said, fine. Send me a copy from the UPS delivery, from the United States Postal Service delivery message that you get. Send me a copy, and then we could work on timing, because if you couldn't get into your mailbox, you can't get into your mailbox. That's what I asked for, proof that came there, that you couldn't get it based upon your story, and then we could work something out. But I don't have anything. I think I was very clear as to what I wanted.
And I'm unable to get, I said I'm unable to get anything either because I can't even pay for my storage space on my phone so I can even get to my emails. Like, this is really ridiculous. I'm literally about to go on labor any day. I can't just get up and go work. I had everything planned out. If my stuff would have been working from the day I moved in, it wouldn't even be this issue.
Ma'am, I needed proof that the tax check came in and that you didn't get it.
Sir, and I don't know how to get you proof. I've got on my laptop, I've got on my phone. I'm trying to get it. There's no way for me to get it. I've tried to call them and see maybe if they can send me some type of email stating that they sent it. They said no. So I don't know what else to do. I called DHS. I've called somewhere else to help, which I shouldn't even have to do all this when my stuff came through the mail, and I should have had access to it the first time it came.
Ma'am, maybe all of that's true, but I gave you an opportunity to just give me proof that the tax check came in, and
Yeah, all right. This is my last pause. I'm going to let it play out. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Yeah, I don't buy her story either. I feel like a lot of people in the comments are going to tell me they don't buy it. Again, this happened a few weeks ago. Sorry it's a little late. And if you saw the sneak peek, I'm sorry you're watching it again. Anyways, I will catch you all later. Until next time. Bye.
I have nothing.
Sir, I can't give you something that I'm unable to get myself either. I can't give you proof of something that I'm having trouble with pulling up myself. I have 2 other children here. I don't want to get put out. Like, come on now, this is ridiculous. I paid my money to move in here and I can't even get my mail.
Ma'am, I don't have much of a choice here, though.
Okay, well, you just do what you feel like you have to do. End of story. Like, I'm not about to keep going back and forth with you or them.
What's the claim, Miss? Hey, I'm done. What's the claim? I've tried. Go ahead. What's the claim in this case?
Your Honor, rent to retain $2,781, cost $175.10, total redemption figure $2,956.
Court finds no tribal issue. Judgment to the plaintiff for possession. Redemption amount is in the amount requested. Writ to issue 10 days. Court calls the case of Arbor 1.